Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs 2 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So obviously I've got the gestures currently applied, but I'll show you a full path of how to get into the specific option and you will be able to decide whether you want to use the gestures or 3 buttons navigation. So let's begin with opening the settings. Here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the option System and Updates. Then let's tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got the gestures and 3 key navigation. So let's pretend I've got the 3 key navigation applied because I wanted to show you the option Settings. Let's tap on it. As you can see here you can reorder the navigation keys, so you can reorder back button and the recent, and you can also add this button to hide this navigation bar. You can also hide navigation keys here. Here you've got this option. So you can just choose the option which is the most comfortable for you. And if you wish, you can simply tap on gestures. Let me go back. We've just entered the tutorial and I believe that we cannot turn it off. So I will begin with the explanation of how to use the gestures and then I'll show you how to set them. So if you wish to go back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center until you'll see this arrow and then release the finger. As you can see, we just go back, and the same situation from the right side. Here, if you wish to go back to the home page directly, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, but make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. Just swipe it. And in order to open the recents, we have to swipe our finger from the bottom to the center of our device and hold our finger somewhere here, like that. Alright, like that. And here we've got the recents. So we just had the tutorial, so in order to set the gestures we have to tap on this option. If you wish you can start it again, I don't want to do it. And as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons we've got actually nothing applied. We can go to the settings, we can show navigation bar if you wish. Here we've got this line. We can slide across bottom to switch apps, and that's totally up to you whether you wish to use it or not. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.